Yes.
Okay. And could you please turn on your webcam? I wanna see you. Yeah. Okay, mashallah, you are looking so cute. Okay. Mashallah. Yeah.
Today for me, I got picture days.
Okay, right. Right. And this is Mustafa from US. Okay. Wow, mashallah, very good. And can you see me? Okay, let's start, beta. Okay, before start your lesson, and we will read a dua. We will read dua. Yeah. Okay, please repeat after me. Repeat after me. Okay. And a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillah. Mashallah, very good, very good. Mashallah, you read excellent. And now read Tasmiyah. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Rahman. Rahim. Rabbi shrah li. No, listen. First listen and then speak, okay? Yeah. Please sit properly. Okay, good. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqda tamil lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, may I go now? Okay, today I am taking class from America. Okay, Boston from America for you. Those who want to teach the Holy Quran all over the world in English or Urdu, then watch this video completely and inshallah you will act. This guy, his name is Mustafa Kashif from Boston, USA. I'm making this video for you, alright? So watch completely. Okay, Mustafa. Mustafa, look. Okay, Mustafa. Now listen. Be carefully. Look at the screen. Look in this first box. Okay, this is the first box. There are few letters and are joined together. Okay. The first one is, in a previous lesson I told you that after Noon Sakina or Tanween, okay, if any letter from Haruf Halkiya is found after a Noon Sakina or Tanween, then you will read this Noon sound clearly. Okay, so how will you read? Listen. Min ajalin. This is the izhar. Okay, this is the izhar. You make izhar here because after a Noon Sakina, Hamza is appearing. This is the Hamza. Okay, so how will you read? Look, min ajalin. You should concentrate on your lesson. Min ajalin. Yes, repeat after me. Min ajalin. Yes. Another box. Min hadin.
Min hadin.
Okay, now read this one. Min ajalin.
Min ajalin.
Yes. Look at the first letter. This is the meme. This is the meme. It is the beginning shape of a meme. It is the beginning shape of meme. Yes. It is the full shape of a meme. This one. Look. This is the full shape of a meme. Okay. This is the meme. And this is the beginning shape of a meme. This one. This one. With zair. With zair. We call it also kasra. Okay. And this one, this is the meme zair me, will connect with noon. Connect with noon. Look. This meme is going to connect with noon sakina. This is the noon sakina. After connect this noon, okay, after connecting this noon, the sound should be here, min. Repeat after me. Min.
Min.
Min. Right. And after a noon sakina, Mustafa, look at the screen.
Min.
Min. Okay.
Min.
After noon sakina, which letter is appearing? Which letter is this? Which letter is this?
Hamza.
Hamza. Yes. And which sign has on the top? We put a zabar on the top of alif, then alif become hamza. Is it clear? Yes. So how will you read? Hamza zabar a. Hamza zabar a. Okay. Another letter is appearing with the one dot at the bottom side. Which letter is this? Jim. This is the Jim. Yeah. This is Jim. It is the full shape of Jim. This one. This is the Jim. Okay. This is the Jim. It is the full shape of a Jim. And this is the beginning shape of Jim. This one. This one. This is the beginning shape of Jim. There is a zabar on the top. So how will you read? Jim zabar ja.
Jim zabar ja.
Jim zabar ja.
Jim zabar ja.
A ja.
Ja.
And this is lam. Okay, this is the lam. It is the ending shape of a lam. Ending shape of lam. Okay. It has a double zair at the bottom, and we call also kasratan. Kasratan. There is a double zair at the bottom. Lam to zair alin. Lam to zair alin. Lam double zair lin. Put your hand on your mouth. Okay. Ajalin.
Ajalin.
Min ajalin.
Min ajalin.
Yes. Repeat again.
Min ajalin.
Good boy. Very good. Excellent. Good boy. Read again.
Min ajalin.
Good. Min ajalin. Min ajalin. Min
ajalin.
ajalin. Min ajalin.
Min ajalin.
Yes. Repeat 3 times.
Min ajalin. Min ajalin. Min ajalin.
Shabash. Very good. Very good. Okay, Mustafa, please read.
The leaves of Muslim. There are 7 things which are necessary to believe in for a person to be in Islam. They are believe in Allah, believe in His angels, believe in His books, believe in His messengers, believe in the last day, believe that all good and bad is from Allah, believe that there is another life after this life. Well, I did not know that.
Okay. Point number 2, these 7 things are mentioned in the 7th kalma. Imam. Okay, this is the first kalma. Look at the screen. Mustafa, this is the first kalma, right? There is the first kalma. It has 2 parts. The first one is the Tawheed, belong to Tawheed, and the second part belong to Risalat. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What are you doing? Don't do this again, okay? Don't do this.
I can't control it.
Okay. Okay, now read. La ilaha.
La ilaha.
Illallahu.
Illallahu.
La ilaha.
La ilaha.
Illallahu.
Illallahu.
Muhammad.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Yes, Muhammadur Rasulullah. MashaAllah. And now I am going to read Urdu translation, and then Mustafa, you will read English. अल्लाह अज़्वजल के सिवा कोई इबादत के लायक नहीं, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाह के रसूल हैं. Now Mustafa, read.
There is no God but Allah. Muhammad
sallallahu alaihi wasallam
is the messenger of Allah.
MashaAllah, very good, very good. Now read again. La ilaha illallahu.
La ilaha illallah.
Muhammadur Rasulullah. Muhammadur Rasulullah.
Muhammadur Rasulullah.
MashaAllah. La ilaha illallahu.
Muhammadur Rasulullah. Guys, let me tell you, when I first learned.
Okay, my dear viewers, subscribers, respected teachers, and if you like this video, please share it as much as you can on different medias, social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Facebook. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Deen Dunya and Akhirah, and far away from all the standing forces and their strategies and plannings. Ameen.
I am here.
Okay, beta. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Say Allah Hafiz.
Allah.